This is Brad attempting to make a paper airplane.
Me too.
And Casey. And Skylar. Actually, I don't know what Skylar's
3, 4, 5, 6. Airplane. Oh, dude.
doing. Okay, it's an airplane.
Hey, if a 2 or a 7 comes out, I got on. My airplane.
Skylar's wonderful airplane. Just dive bombed and landed on Casey.
That ain't helping.
It's a stunt plane.
Terrorist. Shut it down.
It's Ivan. Twin Towers.
Don't make fun of them, because my grandma was in there.
She was not. Dude, no, she wasn't. I went to her funeral like a while ago. Not that long ago, but...
A year or two ago. Year and a half, almost.
Are you going done, Casey?
Yep, it's like a jet airplane crash tester.
There, throw it.
Who, me?
No, I'm kind of scared.
Want to see his V-skill?
Yeah. That thing's...
All the way over there.
Yeah. What's up now?
Go. Oh, that went real far, Casey. Right there.
Dude, that was a mistake.
Look at this thing.
Watch. Ready? This one's up forever. Boom!
Hey,
Dude, that did like a spiral. That was pretty sweet.
yeah, no. You got
Alright,
it.
here goes my plane. Ready?
That's Brad. And you still suck at it.
I'll show you your plane.
Here's yours.
Then he misses.
I'll go get my old plane.
I got it down.
Ready?
Just nailed Skylar. Fight. Fight to the death.
That would be very long in case you die.